Unbox the Flex Mult-Sensor and remove all packaged items to ensure you have all the necessary equipment. Enclosed you should find 4 camera sensor modules, 1 Flex Mult-Sensor dome, 2 moisture absorber and guide, 1 test monitor cable, 1 waterproof cap and gasket, and 1 quick start guide. Using the Torx wrench, carefully loosen each screw in order to remove the camera dome from the base. Once the styrofoam is removed, you will be able to see all camera parts, which you can see labelled on screen. Once the camera sensor modules are unboxed, gently insert the modules into their bases by lining up the sensor module block arrow with the base's arrow guide. A click will signify the sensor module has been inserted correctly. It is important that this is done carefully, as if the modules are not inserted correctly, this will prevent camera GUI access. Next, you must insert an SD card into each of the 4 designated SD card slots. After the dome has been reattached, you can now attach the waterproof seal to the LAN cable and insert the cable into the network port. Additional cable port connections are outlined on screen. To access the camera GUI, enter the default IP address. Then enter the default credentials. If you have not installed the camera sensor modules correctly, you will be unable to access the camera GUI webpage and you will be unable to ping the camera. You will now be prompted to update the camera password. Once you have relogged in and selected your video stream, we advise you check each viewer to ensure live video is available from each lens. Next, you can navigate to Setup, then Record, then select Storage. From here, you can observe if the SD cards were mounted correctly. If not automatically mounted, click on the SD card and click Format. You should receive a success message and the SD card will now be successfully mounted. Thanks for watching.